Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. The call for Jamaica's birth rate to be addressed has reached the church as a clergy leader is imploring wedded couples to reproduce. In recent times, the Minister of Health says Jamaica's total fertility rate declined significantly, contributing to a decrease in the country's population estimates. Deidre Thomas reports.
When the choir rested, the church took its attention away from scriptures for a brief moment. What became a grave concern? Issues of national development, one that has been getting a lot of highlights from the health ministry recently: a decline in birth.
To all those newborn babies in the family, we bless God for the wombs and for the pregnancies that are now on the way to be delivered. I pause here to inform us that our nation is on the decline as it regards to population.
And so, the latest call for more people to head to delivery rooms did not come from the Ministry of Health. In fact, it came from the pulpit.
And so I want to encourage all marriage couples, do something quickly. Please, be fruitful and multiply.
Speaking at the Shiloh Apostolic Church of Jamaica 84th Annual General Convention, International General Director of the Shiloh Women of Royal Destiny, Evangelist Nelissa Ashley Brooks, pointed to a future that could place increasing pressure on the nation's population structure.
We do not desire to have a Jamaica that is elderly, and we do not have the young to take care of the elderly. Our population is on the decrease.
The numbers show that this isn't just a sermon, it's a reality. Data from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica reveals that the country recorded just over 30,000 births in recent years, down from more than 45,000 births in the early 2000s, a decline of over 30% in just 2 decades. At the same time, figures from the Planning Institute of Jamaica show that persons 65 years and older now account for 10 to 12% of the population, a number projected to rise to nearly 20% by 2050. Meanwhile, the total fertility rate, the average number of children a woman has fallen to 2.0 or below, hovering around or even under the replacement level of 2.1. What that means is Jamaica is no longer producing enough children to naturally replace its population. But how serious is the decline? The Prime Minister put the numbers into perspective recently.
It may shock you to learn that since 2018, our birth rate has fallen by 24%. You need to be growing by at least 2.1% to be at replacement.
Evangelist Brooks is championing the government's push.
So I stand with our government in asking all those who are married, please extend the family in Jesus' name. I don't hear anybody saying in Jesus' name.
Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.